Hi everyone, it's Laura here for SugarPea Designs, and today we are going to take a look at the June 2019 release. The release is summer themed and it features stamp sets, standalone dies, a cover plate die, and stencils, so let's have a look at the products one by one. The first stamp set I wanted to show you today is the Cool Treats stamp set. This features this cute penguin and a couple of ice cream images, and it has a lot of fun sentiments that you can use on your cards. And the set also has its own matching dies that you can use to die cut your images. Next up we have the Mermaid Kisses stamp set. This one features these three absolutely cute mermaids and has also a lot of smaller images that will help you set your scene. So for example, we have some small water bubbles, we have coral and seaweed. And the set also comes with sentiments which follow the mermaid and ocean theme and are super fun. The set comes with coordinating dies that can be purchased separately, and the dies will not only cut out the mermaids but also the smaller images in the set. Next up is the Hey Summer stamp set. This cute bear was present in one of the stamp sets released in April 2019, and in this version we have him all ready for summer. The set features two images of this adorable bear in different positions, and then there are some images that you can use to dress up the bear, which makes for a very fun way to personalize your projects. You also have accessories like the surfboard, the beach ball, the ice cream or the flowers, and then some smaller images like these birdies and the musical notes. There is a number of fun sentiments that you can use on your projects too, and like the other sets that I showed you so far, this one comes with coordinating dies as well. The next stamp set is called Grill Master, and this one is a great stamp set for masculine cards or even Father's Day cards. The stamp set features a fun image of a man ready to do some grilling. There is the barbecue grill, and then you have some smaller images like the steam, sausages, steaks. And the set also comes with lots of fun sentiments that are barbecue and grill themed, but also more generic ones like Number One Dad. There are coordinating dies that can be purchased separately for this stamp set as well, that will die cut out all your images. Continuing with the grill and barbecue theme, we have the King of the Grills Sentiments stamp set. This one, as the name suggests, is a stamp set that features sentiments related to barbecue, grilling, but also 4th of July. And then there are some more generic sentiments like hot stuff, you're smoking, and even a classic happy birthday. The set has some small images, so it could be used by itself, but it will be a lot of fun when combined with the backyard barbecue standalone dies. This is a set of dies that will cut out everything you need for your barbecue. So you have the barbecue itself, the grill, the lid, you have a mitten, you have the ketchup and mustard bottles, and then sausages, a chicken leg, some wine and wine glasses, and a beer glass too. So I think this is a really fun one to use for your cards. Moving on from the grill and barbecue theme, we have this gorgeous floral stamp set. This is called Meadow Motifs, and it features a number of beautiful flowers that you can use to create really elegant and delicate projects. And the stamp set also comes with coordinating dies that will die cut out all your images. So this is another great one to have in your stash. Another great stamp set to have is the Everyday Sentiments. This has sentiments for pretty much every occasion, written in this very clean and nice font. There are generic sentiments and holiday sentiments too, like you see Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving, but also congratulations, thanks a bunch, Happy Birthday, so you really have everything you need for a sentiment on pretty much any occasion. And then there is also this die set here. This is called the sentiment strips, and you can use it to die cut strips around your sentiments. So you see you have different sizes of dies, and this will match the different sentiments with different lengths on the stamp set. But this set of dies can also be used to create decorative elements on your cards. The next product is a cover plate die. It is called Scale Cover Plate, and it would work great in combination with the Mermaid Kisses stamp set. And in general, cover plate dies are a great way to quickly and easily add interest to your cards, so they are a great asset to have in your craft room. The next two products that I want to show you are stencils. This first one is called Wave Stencil, and it's absolutely beautiful. Again, this will work great with the Mermaid Kisses stamp set to create ocean backgrounds, but even just an abstract pattern on your card bases. And lastly, we have the Spirograph Mandala Stencil. Again, this is great for your card backgrounds, and you can use it with inks or with pastes to create accents and texture on your cards. And I think this one will work really great with the beautiful flowers in the Meadow Motifs stamp set. So this was the SugarPea Designs June 2019 release. You will find a link to the SugarPea Designs store in the description box down below, and also check out the SugarPea Designs blog for inspiration from the design team. Make sure to subscribe for more card making and paper crafting inspiration. Thank you all so much for stopping by, and have a great day.